Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a 1.8 liter Honda Civic from the years 2012 to 2015. Here we have an example of an engine from that vehicle. The first thing we need to do to figure out the location and firing order of these cylinders is to stand in position in front of the vehicle. We open the hood and look at the engine. The location and order would be as follows. Starting over on the far left side of the engine block would be cylinder number 1, then right in the center area would be cylinders 2 and 3, and finally over on the right, which is the driver's side of the vehicle, would be cylinder number 4. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is on the left side, that is, on the passenger side. As I mentioned before, when you're standing facing the engine, that would be your left. Next, cylinder number 3 would fire, then cylinder number 4, which is on the right side by the battery, and finally, cylinder number 2 would fire. Well, folks, I have nothing more to say. See you in the next video tutorial. See you soon.